Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 25th April 2021. Topic is free topic. To write in the pyramid form. May I now welcome Miss Tanya to recite today's poetry. Welcome, dear.
Pyramid Poetry by Mrs. S. Yamini Priya. India is dying. Lack of oxygen has become a big crisis. Shrieking of people's echoes everywhere. People roam around with empty oxygen cylinders. Humans' ignorance, negligence, and unplanned Medicare pushes death. Get vaccine, stay indoors, sanitize, social distancing to escape. Mother Earth becomes hot as her children burn to ashes. Is this a man-made disaster or a natural disaster? Who knows? This pandemic is a great lesson that our loved ones are precious. India needs oxygen to rise like a phoenix bird, so please be aware. Corona is creating many billionaires as they are going a brisk business amidst deaths. Common man's soliloquy, will it end? Will I get my wages to feed family? Mrs. Anuradha. Happiness, mood, sweet, calm, relaxed, aspire, amazed, with mixed evergreen memories, always want to be blessed with that priceless treasure forever and ever. Miss Tanya Gopinath. CSK, Yellow Team. It has Captain Cool. Always full house and it roars. We don't care its position at point table. We love even if it doesn't play that year. Best team and it's the king of IPL. Dr. Mary Suresh. Writer born to delight with writings of his own imaginations, which more colorful and powerful. Mr. Lokesh. Mask, that's me. Few centuries back, mandatory armor for survival, yet unsolicited for a prolonged period. Sudden, unprecedented turn of events, history repeats. Wrath of COVID-19, Mommy returns with great protection. Permission granted without vest and brief, not without a mask. Mrs. T. Tamarai Selvi. Bewilderment. Corona, novel virus, mutating so rapidly, highly contagious and perilous, worldwide insufferable and unpredicted catastrophe. The Almighty only knows the end. We just surrender ourselves to the God. Mrs. Kalyani PR. COVID, coronavirus in the world, mutating day by day, giving fear to the mankind. Let us wear face masks safely. Wash our both hands with hand wash. Be safe, stay at home, keep some distance. Let us fight silently against corona to reduce deaths. For healthy, wealthy, peaceful, green and wonderful world. Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan. God has decided to teach lesson for all the sins committed by the human beings in the form of COVID monster. Ready to swallow the entire mankind, what is going to be left is unknown. May this pandemic end up at the earliest. May the Almighty protect us from the cruel hands. Mrs. R. Elirarisi. Lockdown. Lockdown 2020 to lockdown 2021. Followed by the people in remote village and city. Patients could not get enough oxygen. Everyone feels so pity. Coronavirus spread from infected person through cough and sneeze. To avoid risk, don't shake hands, wear mask, stay home, stay safe please. Meditate, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, and talk to someone whom you trust. Create awareness among people in the neighborhood. because prevention is the best? Human civilization, not only in India but all over the world, are facing threat for the survival. Nowadays, people have good fear to attend and pay respect to their loved one's funeral. Dear friends, pledge to maintain social distance and lockdown orders given by the government. Knock down COVID-19. Mrs. Jayanti, Admini in the group of creative writers with impressive attitudinal inventions polish the creativity and sprinkle the flavor of motivation endlessly in the mind of buddy writers. To build a worldwide mansion of creative writers. Mrs. A. Asha Pandian, people fell trees for nation's progress. Now from other countries begging for the oxygen cylinders. Better late than never. Be extra vigilant. Let's plant trees. Mrs. Shri Priya Anand, Sakti Selvam, retired headmaster, vibrant commerce teacher, passed away today morning. Shocking news we received today. Everyone stuck with untold grief. A legendary teacher in NKMHSS Vellore dedicated himself to the world of teaching. A person who always cared about others' problems. Lived his whole life with full of dedication on education. My deepest condolence to his family, friends and relatives. Hence, as an old student and as a colleague, I dedicate this poem to the great personality and praying God to place his soul with full of peace. Mrs. R. Ramapriya, education learning process enlightens, empowers, creates physically, intellectually and mentally. Growth and development of individual benefits us to overcome all diversity related to learning and our overall development. Mrs. B. Sheeran, we must fight the coronavirus by following some steps, but the pandemic rises abnormally. Despite hard work, obscurity lies in prevention. The zoonotic disease invades and increases rapidly. Precipitates sore throat, fever, exhaustion, rashes and gasping. Isolation, proper medication and vitamin supplements are home remedies. Safeguard yourself by wearing mask, washing hands and physical distancing. Tussling against the subsequent waves substantiates something desirable to stave off. Mrs. Sabina Salam, a clown. Clowns in a circus with makeup on many shows, many acts. Comedy tricks he performs make audience laugh and merry. Have you ever thought of, is the clown happy? Mrs. J. L. Flowers of yesterday, withers of today. Nothing permanent here. Live every day caring for everyone. Mrs. Lakshmi, vaccines for COVID-19, Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik V. Third vaccine recently approved. Russia's Sputnik, similar to AstraZeneca, deliver a small fragment of virus. It uses a harmless cold type virus. Thus, body recognize threat and learn to fight. After vaccine, body produce antibodies especially tailored to coronavirus. Thus, immune system fight coronavirus when it encounters for real. Mrs. G. Sarara, life, blank sky, filled with beloved, creating a beautiful rainbow. To bring dreams unto reality, apprised by all our well-wishers, for the reaching heights blessed by Almighty. Mrs. G. Sarala, life, key junction into heights gratified, for elegant dreams created, beautifully administered. Mrs. Alice P. Safety trip. Trip to Chennai, fear of corona, wearing mask, using sanitizer, received a lot of advice. to be very careful about COVID. By the grace of our Lord Almighty, we all went together with prayer, joyfully attended function, enjoyed celebration, social distance awareness maintenance, met all relatives, returned peacefully, safely. Mrs. U. Maragatam, mother, wonderful personality, ever caring being, never showed her antipathy, to grasp her temperament inexplicable. At times she might be rigid, after times she would be free and easy. She handled each and everyone's conception exclusively. Oh, could have been the blessed one on earth if you are being alive and with me this moment. Mrs. Deepa B. Not only India, but the universe bear the pregnancy concept of mummies, not in pyramid, but their motherland tightly tied, with some band thrown away into the pit. Oh my God, save the humanity as you said before. Mrs. P. Carolyn Santa. Sorry, I regret. I'm not regular, though I wish to. My ill health pulls me down. I'll try to be regular soon. Miss K. Amrita. When you don't do things to attract people's attention on you, congrats, you're matured. Miss K. Amrita. Real life is trending while real life is ending. Mrs. Beulah. India, a nation of diverse cultures filled with great resources. Many martyrs shed their blood, obtained freedom from superstitions and slavery. Let's pledge to raise our nation high. Mrs. G. Leela Bakia. Nature pleasing feel, chill breeze freshen, untainted green saplings aroma, water the amrut for total, herbal usage not known as sad. Nature's fragrance, ability to cool the hassled mind, its blessing to all living beings taken birth here. Mrs. Princeland Joan Y. Learn new language, secret of existence, compliments and admiring words, best expressed in straightforward statements. It's a language of affirmation with positivities. Try to be sincere and recognize your true experience. Learn everyone the new dialect of euphoric state called love. Disease named Corona but called COVID-19. It's threatening the world. Locked everyone in a room. It's a good thing to realize ourselves. It controls the world not to think bad. That damaging ecosystem of the whole world. Because we all going back to money and comfort. It reminds reality of the life cycle and ancestors' lifestyle. Save earth, save eco, save nature. Dissidents will be healthy and happy. Mrs. Kalyani PR. Admin, a writer, gave a chance, wearing mask, few lines about today's India and COVID, Corona, lockdown, prayers to God to give a better solution soon. Let people plant more trees to get oxygen. Now creative writers dedicates condolences for the best teacher.
Thank you, Miss Tanya, for your wonderful recitation. I wish to thank all the participants for pouring your thoughts and emotions in the beautiful background. Thank you all. If you want to be a part of this group, kindly post a comment in the comment section. Thank you.